Okay, so now we're getting into the fun ones, right? What I have here is, again, I keep on erasing this, but remember that the root of a product can be rewritten as the root of A times the root of B. And then also remember that the square root of -1 represents I, okay? So when I look at the square root of 28, first thing we want to do is I want to rewrite this as a product without having a negative, right? Because we understand that we can't take the negative we can't take the square root of a negative number and be able to have a real number. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to break this up and do the square root of 28 times the square root of -1. Because 28 times -1 equals -28. And then we understand that we can apply that by using this property. Now what I need to do is I know I can simplify the square root of -1 into I, as represented here, but I need to know how to simplify the square root of 28, because this 28 is not a square number, so I can't easily just take the square root of it. However, I want to see, can I break this up as another product with the square root of a number? And what I realized is, yeah, that 4 goes into square root of 28. So I can rewrite this now as the product of 4 times the square root of 7 times the square root of -1. And let's just double check our work. Because remember, we can always break it up into our products. So 4 times 7 is 28, and then times our -1. Now I have a square number that I can take the square root of, which is going to be 2 times the square root of 7. Then the square root of -1 is going to be I. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you simplify by using I. Thanks.